This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping activity that can overwrite deleted history, close the browser, and avoid new files. Next, check whether the browser was signed into a sync account. If yes, the cloud may hold records. Also inspect System Restore, Time Machine, or File History backups on the device. Once done, note timestamp ranges you need and copy backup files to a safe folder. Do not restore yet. This preserves originals while you prepare extraction tools and permissions for the next steps. You now extract and parse the history data. Open recovered history or places SQLite files with an SQLite viewer and run queries on tables like URLs, visits, or MOZ places to pull URLs and timestamps. Convert epoch or microsecond times into readable dates. If the DB files are absent, image the drive and run file recovery utilities to carve deleted SQLite/journal fragments. Make incremental exports and filter by domain, date range, and visit count so you isolate meaningful entries for restoration or reporting. You finish by importing cleaned records into a copy of the browser profile. Never overwrite the live profile directly. Close the browser, replace the profile DB with your recovered copy, and then open the browser to verify history appears. Once verified, re-enable sync cautiously so cloud data merges rather than erases local entries. If entries are still missing, check SQLite journal or WAL files, restore shadow copies, or escalate to professional disk recovery. If problems persist, stop writing to the disk and reassess imaging options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.